What's going on, everybody? My name is Christian Robert. On this channel, we talk stocks, personal finance, and wealth building. And I was going to show you me opening my free stock I received on Robinhood, but unfortunately, that video got destroyed. So I will show you what stock I got for free and take you through my Robinhood. But as always, make sure that if you haven't already, you subscribe to the channel and like the video. It really helps me out. We just hit 230 subscribers, so I'm very excited for that. So let's jump right into this. Now, I tried, or I recorded it, but it didn't work out. I received my free stock, and that was SiriusXM. So thank you to the person who used my referral link. It's not something I really push or talk about, but I put it in the description of all my videos. So if you're thinking about opening a Robinhood or an M1 finance account, you can use my referral code and you will receive a free stock, and I will receive one. On M1, I think they give you $10. And so, to this person, though, who used my referral code, if you're watching this, comment down below what stock you received. I'd love to know if you received the same one or a different one. But it just turned 6 o'clock on Friday, so the market is officially closed. The aftermarket is, and my account is sitting at $4,880. Though last week we are up 3.3% or $155, so not too bad at all. The last month we are up 5.6% or $262, so that's even better. And so if you follow the channel, you know that half of the portfolio is in Tesla. It's 45% of the portfolio. Average cost $270. We're down 18%, but it's come back a little bit. It's at $221. The last week it's up 3%. The last month it's up just under 10%. So we were looking pretty bad for a while, but it's starting to come back. But yeah, like the last 3 months, it's down 17% still. But you know what? I still believe, I don't care what anybody says, in 3 to 5 years, this is going to be a 4-digit stock price. And, I am not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion, but that's what I think. I feel like they've just started to scratch the surface of the incredible things they're going to do. But I don't want to take you through every single video or every single stock. I already tried recording this one once or twice, but I have NVIDIA, 5 shares, pretty much flat on this. Skyworks actually has had a nice week, and my computer's a little slow, but the last week we're up just under 5%. I'm finally in the green on this. I'm up 0.49%. I want to get this to 10 shares. For some reason, 10 shares are like what I want to get to a lot of these stocks. I don't know what it is with the number 10, but Activision, I just bought 1 share this week, so I'm at 8 shares. I'm still down a little bit on this one. I'm down 1.3%, which is fine. This has a nice, or not a nice dividend, but it does offer a dividend. So I'm fine with holding on to this one. And then next one I want to talk about is Switch. Now let's look right here for a second. And that is my profit. I'm up 60%. I don't know when the last time I was up. Well, I do know, but it was a long time ago. And I'll get into that in a separate video. But 60% is huge. I'm very impressed with Switch right now. I bought it at an average cost of $8.32, and it's at $13.32, so I'm up exactly $5 per share. I wanted to get this one to 100 shares, but I just started doing all this other stuff, and I just neglected it, and I never ended up buying more. But you know what? That's perfectly fine. Someone recently asked me, now that I'm up so much on this, what I plan on doing with it. I have a long-term mindset when I buy a stock. I don't buy a stock for the most part like thinking, oh, well, if it pops in the first 3 months of owning it, I'll sell it for that small profit and, put that money to something else. I invest in companies that I believe in the long term. Yes, this was a speculative play. It wasn't 100% safe, but I believed in it. I thought that they were doing some cool stuff. And so nothing changes just because I'm up a lot. If this thing did pop into like the high 20s or the 30s, then I might have to really sit down and figure out if it's worth me selling. But right now it doesn't change much. I'm still getting a small dividend. It's around 1%. So, very happy. Comment down below if you guys own Switch or if you've even heard of it. Not too many people have heard of it, I feel like. But next we have CenturyLink. I have 5 shares of that. And Bank of America, 1 share. I have Flower Foods, 1 share. 2 shares of International Paper. 5 shares of PSEC. I just bought 2 shares today, actually. 4 shares of Key Bank. This is a newer one. My 10 shares of Aurora Cannabis and Neo. And lastly, the new stock Siri. I'm actually going to hold on to Sirius XM. I believe I've owned it a long time ago, a few years back. And, why not just hold it? It has a dividend, so I'm cool with it. But, I've kind of hinted at this already. But something I plan on doing with this account is that I think once I get close to the challenge, which was, getting this account to 10,000, maybe not quite 10,000, but I think I will end up merging this account with my TD Ameritrade, and that's just for simplicity purposes, and also that TD Ameritrade offers a drip, and so as you know, I'm a dividend investor minus Tesla. So for me to have that drip is very, very important to me. It might not sound like a big deal, but when you're a long-term investor, when the drip kicks in and it buys you those fractional shares, over time, that's really going to make a big difference. So, that's just something I'm like 99% sure I'm going to do. And I've talked to a lot of other YouTubers that that are also in this area or category, and they agree with me that makes a lot of sense. I still have my M1 Finance, but that's a separate topic. But yeah, that's the portfolio right now. I just want to update you guys. Something I think I'm going to do with this channel is I think I'm going to do 1 Robinhood video and then 1 M1 Finance video. So it kind of breaks it up and I'm not showing you the same portfolio every single week. So comment down below what you guys think of that idea. But that's really all I have for you guys this one. I wanted to update you guys with that. Make sure if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, like the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.